Hi everyone, my name is Kevin, and welcome to Exploration Theme Parks. And this morning we are at Hershey Park's Chocolate World. So let's get chocolatey. Alright, so we just parked at Hershey's Chocolate World. Ooh, it's a little windy, a little wet. We're gonna check out Chocolate World first and then go over to the park, and keeping our fingers crossed that, you know, this weather lets up a little bit and it doesn't impact too many of the rides. So we'll see. Hershey's Chocolate World, let's go. Ooh, chocolate tasting journey. That's a cool sign. Yeah, so Chocolate World, it's pretty cool because it's free parking, free admission. They even got the Hershey's Chocolate Tour, which I think is just a dark ride kind of thing. But yeah, they got all kinds of merch here. Building looks super cool. It's huge, actually. It's pretty big. All right, we're going straight on the chocolate tour ride. Very intense roller coaster. I'm just kidding, it's like a dark ride. You get great views of the store. That's pretty cool. It has a very long queue line, so I wonder if this ever fills up. Have a sweet day. Oh man. And we got like the history of Milton Hershey for all you chocolate lovers. Hello, Twizzlers. A very, very, very long queue line. We're still walking. The cacao farm. What were you gonna say? Cow farm? I mean, yeah, they got a lot of like historical facts though throughout the queue line. I'm just very curious if this ever fills up, because that would be a pretty long wait. Oh, hey. Yeah, here we go. Please remain seated. Oh yeah, let's go. Chocolate tour.
Hey everyone, welcome aboard the Hershey's Chocolate Factory Tour. For your hands and feet inside the vehicle at all times. We're on our way to the Hershey Chocolate Factory. Your guide will meet you at the entrance. See you inside.
Singing cows.
Got that feel good feeling every day. We're making chocolate the Hershey way, and you can taste the love all over the world. Taste the love. Taste the love. Taste the love all over the world.
Hi, my name is Alex. I'm a quality supervisor here at the Hershey Chocolate Factory. I was asked to be your guide today, and I can't wait to show you around. Everyone ready? Let's go. It all starts with cocoa beans, which are harvested and shipped to us from tropical regions around the world. We send the cocoa beans through large cleaning machines that screen and thoroughly remove unwanted parts like pulp and bits of cacao pod. Our cocoa experts carefully select, sort, and combine beans from various countries in precise amounts to achieve that unique and consistent Hershey's flavor.
Oh, you feel the heat?
Hey everyone! Below me are milling machines which grind cocoa nibs into unsweetened chocolate. Cocoa nibs have been ground down like this for thousands of years. Milling machines generate lots of heat through intense pressure and friction. The grinding turns cocoa nibs into the smooth, dark liquid used to make milk and dark chocolate.
Our pressing machines squeeze the unsweetened chocolate into discs of cocoa powder, known as Hershey's cocoa. Pressing also produces cocoa butter, which we'll use later on in the process. Every day, shining tanker trucks pick up milk from local farms and line up outside our factory for delivery. Hershey is one of the only companies in the world that uses fresh milk to make milk chocolate. Fresh milk is part of what gives Hershey's milk chocolate its delicious and distinctive taste. Part of my job is to make sure all of that milk meets our high-quality standards. Once it passes testing, we mix sugar into the milk using large batching tanks. We pasteurize and condense the sweetened milk and then blend in the perfect amount of unsweetened chocolate. This is where the art of chocolate making all comes together. As the mixture cooks, it begins to form delicious little pieces that we call chocolate crumb. We dry the chocolate crumb into a coarse powder. Then we mix in the cocoa butter we pressed down earlier and add a dash of vanilla. This brings out the chocolate's rich taste and creamy texture, and of course that wonderful smell. We feed the chocolate crumb through steel rollers that grind and refine the chocolate until it reaches a smooth, uniform consistency. Here's our friend Kiss to explain the next step in the process.
These punch machines use thin granite rollers into milk chocolate. The punching process mixes and heats the chocolate, developing the rich flavor and color. Heavy rollers smooth out the refined crumb until it reaches the silky liquid texture of milk chocolate. Bye for now.
After conching, we temper the milk chocolate, heating and cooling it to just the right texture and consistency. During tempering, we can mix in other ingredients such as roasted California almonds. Next, we pour the milk chocolate into molds and send them on a bumpy conveyor ride. Then we send the molds through cooling tunnels that solidify the chocolate. All of that fresh, delicious Hershey's chocolate goodness is
Don't forget about Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, my personal favorite.
Everyone has a favorite. Mine are Hershey's Kisses chocolate.
Thanks, Alex. That's so sweet.
Looks like our packages are ready to go, and I better get going too. It's been a privilege being your guide today. Remember that wherever you go, you're never far from a piece of Hershey's happiness. So be sure to share that goodness with the ones you love. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Smile for your picture.
Okay, now everybody say Hershey's. 3, 2, 1. Hershey's.
Okay, gang, time to go share some goodness.
Well, now you know the hard work, pride, and joy that goes into making every piece of Hershey's goodness.
Come visit us again soon.
Please remain seated until the door opens and watch your step onto the moving platform. And enjoy the rest of your day here at Hershey's Chocolate World.
All right, we just got off of the chocolate tour, dark ride. Babe, what'd you think?
It was fun. It was cute.
And we got a free sample. Yeah, it was super cool. Free ride. It's actually a pretty long ride. It's like 8 minutes, and it just kind of tells you how their chocolate is made. So, yeah, super cool experience. Oh, and we got a character. Kit Kat bar, woo! So, yeah, they got a lot of candy here. I'm sure Nikki's happy.
I'm actually candied out right now.
Oh, yeah, she
Sour candies.
if you watch our vlog from American Dream Mall, she stacked up on some candy there. But, yeah, lots of candy here. Hershey's largest candy store. So yeah, this chocolate world is pretty big, and lots of different kinds of candy here. You got Twizzlers, of course they got chocolate. We're just gonna keep walking around. So I think they got even like a cafe too. We'll go check out the menu. They got like a milkshake counter over here. Made with real ice cream, not fake. Hershey's Workshop. What is this? I got some like toys, puzzles. What have we got here? They open at 10:30. It looks like food. I don't see a menu, but yeah, I can smell food. Oh, they even got alcoholic beverages here. I got pizza, sandwiches, some specialty like slushies, beef brisket sliders. So yeah, you can. Oh yeah, they got another cafe type over here. Oh, cookies. Oh my. Oh, yeah, they got cookies too down there.
Oh yeah.
Oh, they got coffee. Big s'mores. Mmm. Oh, look at those cupcakes. Can stock up on all your favorite candy merch. We got Loungefly for Reese's. Got some Crocs, it looks like. For Jolly Rancher. Look at that. You can get some Kiss merchandise. There's normal Hershey's. Oh, look at that big chocolate bar. Look at this massive syrup bottle. Oh, it looks like it's a piggy bank. You got your mugs. What is she? Oh, candles. What is it?
S'mores.
Oh, that smells yummy.
Hold on, there's multiples. Oh, they have wax ones.
Reese's.
Not bad. It's not too peanut buttery.
What did you just make?
A s'more.
A s'more out of plushies. Oh my gosh. So apparently you can stuff your cup Reese's style. Look at that. Oh, they're almost ready to serve you. But yeah, that's pretty cool. They got a lot here. Hershey's Kitchen, Warm Goodness. Create your own candy bar. That's pretty cool. The Amazing Candy Machine. Choose your favorites. So that's gonna do it for a quick morning at Hershey's Chocolate World. We got on the chocolate tour, dark ride. We checked out all the candy they have to offer. Hope you enjoyed the quick video. Please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for upcoming videos. And remember, never stop exploring theme parks.